What is up, weather enthusiasts? I'm your host, Pat's Path Predictor. Let's get right into the weather. Alright, so this is the situation we have right here. This is Invest 99L, ladies and gentlemen. Invest 99L has now been designated by the National Hurricane Center. And as you can see, the convection, there's not really that much convection going on, but these kinds of invests do that all the time. They usually cycle. They go up in convection, they go down. But I want to take a look at this, actually. Take a look at the rotation of this thing. Like, the rotation, at least by the center of this, is absolutely incredible. I want to first pay attention to that because even though there's not much convection that's likely due to land interaction and all that, that rotation shows that this thing is developing, and this thing is developing fast. With that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at the HE. And now they have a 40% chance of development in the next 48 hours. That is up from 30, and now that has it as a moderate chance of development. With that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Scattered showers and thunderstorms are associated with a tropical wave located over southeastern Mexico that is expected to emerge into the Bay of Campeche tomorrow morning. Environmental conditions appear favorable for additional development, and a tropical depression could form while the system moves northwestward over the southwestern Gulf of Mexico on Friday or Saturday. However, by Saturday night, the system is expected to move inland over northeastern Mexico, which would end its chance of a development. A Hurricane Hunter aircraft is scheduled to investigate the system tomorrow if necessary. Yes, investigate the system. Considering what we're looking on satellite, the convection isn't there right now, but it's likely going to come back tomorrow morning. And just the rotation on this is absolutely insane right here. Even the outflow is getting pretty crazy as well. This thing is really developing. It's really starting to give us a run for its money. So that's what we're looking at right here. And I want to remind everyone, it's about to move into the very warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, 29 to 30 degrees Celsius. That's 84 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. And a lot of that goes down really deep as well. I want everyone to understand this, because it's about to move through very favorable conditions, which, if it continues to organize like this and it continues to take advantage of the surroundings around it, we could potentially see a tropical system, maybe even a tropical storm go on. So we're going to have to pay attention to that and look at the wind shear. There is like a little area of 25 to 30 knots of wind shear over here, but generally we're looking at 15 to 20 knots of wind shear all the way there. And that's not bad considering all the conditions it's been going through as well. It's kind of first was developing in the Western Caribbean, then moved over land, then it moved away from land, which is probably what's giving it this edge right now, being those few hours over water probably gave it a lot more of a chance to develop. And now it's over land, but it's expected to move into the Bay of Campeche in the next few hours. We're going to have to pay attention to that. One thing we need to also pay attention to is this potential tropical wave right here. It's been dry for the last few days, and this is an area of interest I want to keep an eye on because there are some computer models that have this thing developing into a potentially powerful hurricane 10 days down the road. Now we're starting to notice a little bit more convection with some of those storms right there. I think once it crosses the Leeward Islands, we'll see a lot more of where that came from. So just a couple of areas of interest for the night. I'll continue to update you guys as the situation progresses. We're going to go ahead and wrap up this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new. It helps me out and helps me make more videos like these. But with that being said, have a wonderful day. Stay safe.